As modern healthcare practices continue to evolve, resources are often wasted in the process of managing countless provider identities across healthcare information systems. InterSystems HealthShare Provider Directory allows medical staff to save resources, and it addresses some of the inefficiencies in sharing provider data across systems. With so many different primary and specialty care providers practicing at different locations, provider information is fragmented and not always easy to access. Even when a provider is at a single location, the average provider is contracted with over 10 different insurance plans, and the record of an average provider organization can change up to 25% from year to year. This includes staff turnover, location and hour changes, and more. The result is that plans don't always display an accurate list of providers, meaning patients cannot access the right providers when they need them. For this reason, certain providers end up underutilized, while others are overbooked. This problem of inefficiency can prevent timely patient care. HealthShare Provider Directory can help. This directory creates and manages a master list of provider records to serve as a single source of truth for healthcare organizations. It combines the best-in-class interoperability of InterSystems technology with identity management features to make provider records reliably available in one place. These records allow you to see relevant pieces of information about a given provider, such as basic demographic info, specialty, languages they speak, locations they practice, insurance plans they accept, and more. The phases that provider records go through in Provider Directory are often referred to as the processing pipeline. First, by way of the interoperability engine in HealthShare, data is ingested in various formats and prepared for use in Provider Directory. This preparation is a cleansing process that includes standardizing data into consistent formats and screening for major errors. The result is a collection of healthy data for your system. Provider Directory takes this newly ingested data and compares it to the existing database for the purposes of matching and building the provider record. Business rules, one of the core pieces of InterSystems interoperability engines, are used to help determine whether potential matches are linked to existing records, or if new records need to be created. Whenever Provider Directory fails to automatically resolve a pair of records, they are placed onto a task list for users to examine. Last, these records are shared via APIs to consuming applications that use the central source of truth for provider records. Within the Provider Directory interface, you can see the contributing records that are used to build the master record for a given provider, and take action to modify which contributing elements are used in the master record. When you put all of this together, you can avoid wasting time and resources managing various provider identities. By aggregating, merging, and consolidating provider records into a single source of truth, the providers your patients need will be available at the times they need them, thanks to InterSystems HealthShare Provider Directory.